If you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade your cleaning routine, this is it. Starting August 26th, the Proscenic X1 robot vacuum and mop will be available through Shoppy Perks Warehouse Deals, but only in limited quantities. The Proscenic X1 is more than just a vacuum. With 3000 paw suction, it easily picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair on both hard floors and carpets. Switch it to mop mode, and the sonic cleaning system gives your floors a streak-free shine with consistent coverage. What really sets it apart is the self-emptying base. It can hold up to 45 days of debris, which means less maintenance for you and more time back in your day. The base even uses UV light to help keep things more sanitary. You can run it straight from the Proscenic app or control it with Alexa and Google. With up to 2 hours of runtime and automatic recharging, it's designed to take care of the work while you focus on everything else. And here's the best part. On Amazon, the Proscenic X1 sells for about $349. Through Shoppy Perks Warehouse Deals, you can pick it up for just $2.99 retail or as low as $2.29 wholesale. That's a $120 savings compared to Amazon. This deal goes live August 26th, and once these units are gone, they're gone. Don't wait. Head over to Shoppy Perks, lock in your savings, and grab your Proscenic X1 at an unbeatable price.